Sample preparation for X-ray fluorescence spectrometry, loose powder method for tube below models. Contents. We'll explain. Sample preparation for powder samples, tube below models. Loose powder method for tube below models. Put a powder sample into a sample cell with film for measurement. Can be run under either vacuum or helium. Accessories to be used. Sample preparation method. Attention. Pre-treat samples such as pulverizing or drying. Work on a sheet of weighing paper. Put the thin film on the analysis surface of the sample cell with the snap-on ring. Attention. Pay attention to the correct orientation of the snap-on ring. The thin film should not have wrinkles on the analysis surface. Turn the sample cell upside down. As a guide, the sample should fill about half of the sample cell, about 5 grams for oxide, about 3 grams for organic material. Smooth the surface of the sample. Place the filter on the back of the sample cell. Caution: sharp granules or high-density samples can break the thin film. To set the sample cell into the sample holder for tube below models, place a centering ring in the sample holder, and then put the sample cell into the sample holder. Caution: any parts of the thin film or filter extending outside of the sample holder should be cut off. The excess film or filter could cause trouble during transportation of the sample holder. Completed.